Hello! In this video, we're going to show you the easiest way to make a calendar in Excel. First, open the Excel application and select New. Then, select Calendars under the search bar. You'll see a collection of calendar templates. Choose the template you want. For this example, we're going to choose the Any Year 1 Month calendar. Once you choose your template, select Create. Your calendar will open and you'll want to save it. Do this by selecting File, Save As, choosing the file's location, entering a file name, and selecting Save. Change the calendar's year by highlighting the calendar year box and typing in any year. You'll see the calendar automatically update the days. Change the month by selecting Calendar Month and choosing a month from the drop-down. Change the first day of the week by selecting First Day of Week and choosing the day of the week you want each week of your calendar to start. Customize your template colors by selecting the Page Layout tab and then Themes. Select a theme from the drop-down. The template will automatically update your calendar's colors, fonts, and effects. Now you can enter appointments, meetings, and special occasions into your customized calendar. Discover how Smartsheet can help your team visualize date-based work and achieve greater efficiency across projects.